In this video, we'll go through the steps of how to add a Zoom link to your Blackboard Ultra course. First, navigate to the course content view. Click the plus icon, then click the Content Market button in the drop-down menu. In the Content Market menu, scroll down until you see the Zoom meeting option. Then, click the plus icon in the bottom right corner of the option. The Zoom meeting option has now been added to your course. Another way you can add a Zoom link to your course is by navigating to the Course Content view, then locating and clicking on the View Course and Institution Tools button under Books and Tools on the left. In the Books and Course Tools menu, scroll down the list until you see the Zoom meeting option, then click the plus icon beside it. The Zoom meeting option has now been added to your course.